So, hi guys, today I am going to teach you proofreading and proof editing with one example, a small paragraph. It will take very short span of your time, but it will give you an idea how to do editing and then proofreading. So, let's start. This is the one paragraph of 5 lines only. There are so many grammatical mistakes. Suppose you have been given this paragraph for proofreading and editing. Then what you will do? First of all, you have to read out sentence by sentence, word by word. The students were excited for the trip. They packed their bags and did not wanted to be late. So here the first here is the problem. In this sentence there is problem. Some of them have forgot their id, have forgotten, but here is forgot. So in this sentence there is problem. But the teacher managed the situation. But the teacher managed, here the verb is incorrect. Everyone were, this is incorrect, and it was a memorable day. So there, during reading, I have spotted so many grammatical errors. So first of all, you have to find out what are the errors. Then one by one you have to correct. So let's read how to correct in next. This is the students were excited for the trip. They packed their bags and did not want to be late. Some of them had forgotten their ID cards, but the teacher managed the situation smoothly. Everyone was happy and it was a memorable day. So this paragraph is looking grammatically correct and fine. So in this way you have to do your copy editing as well as proof reading. So here is the problem, then here is solved. Students, here is students yani means plural. So there should be no was, but there should be were. Excited for the trip, they packed their bags and did not want to be late. Some of them had forgotten their ID cards. Some of them have forgot. So here grammatical error and here forgotten is correct. But the teacher managed the situation smoothly. So here is managed. Managed. Here is V1. Here is V1 and here is V2. Here is V2. Verb का second रूप means V2. The second form of verb, and it was a memorable day. Everyone were. Everyone means here is singular and here is plural. No. Everyone. So there should be was. So there should be was. Everyone was happy and it was a memorable day. So in this way you have to do your proofreading as well as editing. So what you have corrected? The students was. No, the student were. Did not wanted. Did not want. Have forgotten. Had forgotten. Manage. Managed. Everyone were. Everyone was. Subject verb agreement. Memorable. 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 Spelling. So during proof editing or proofreading you have to focus on subject verb agreement, sentence form, present and past perfect, future tenses, and then a spelling also. In this